Well, good afternoon. We've got more opportunities at seeing this again, that beautiful rainbow there. Several photos of that on our website. Here's a look at the latest radar. We're seeing conditions that are going to be on the drizzly side, we'll say, here as you step out the door for your lunch break. North of Bemidji, up by Red Lake, we're seeing some of those light rain showers. And then a lot of cloud cover here, too, into our eastern viewing area. Whereas up north and west, we've got more sunshine going on. Let's zoom in a little more on this region. You can see, again, lower Red Lake. The Ponoma area being impacted by a little bit of rain, stretching back into places like Clearbrook and over toward Fosston. You could have some sprinkles going on there too. No storms as of yet, but we could see those bubbling up here shortly as we continue on into the afternoon. We're looking at our eastern counties being the focus for this, but everywhere we have the potential for an isolated shower or thunder shower. So heading into the 3 o'clock hour, you can see these going in our eastern counties at that point. Temperatures are going to range into some low 60s all the way into some low 70s. Those areas where we get more sun, that's where we're going to see those warmer temperatures yet again here for today. And continuing on into the afternoon, further into the afternoon, you can see that we're seeing some spotty areas. So it's not widespread. We're not getting rain in every single location here today, but the potential is there. And that's most likely right along the Red River and points east. So we're looking at the chance for some rain and thunder showers, bringing us some gusty winds, a little bit of lightning, and in addition to that, we could see some small hail. The good news here is if you've been watching throughout the day, we were under a marginal risk for severe storms. Well, the Storm Prediction Center has removed that because it looks less likely that we're going to see that 1-inch diameter hail here in the valley, which is good. We want the rain, we want the moisture, we just don't want the hazards that go along with thunderstorms. Lightning we'll still have to watch out for, and if you're heading out to the lake already this afternoon and tonight, that's something you're going to want to pay attention to. If you hear that thunder, you want to get off the lake. It's not safe to be there. Here's a look at what we can expect into tonight. You can see that there's still some ongoing shower and thunder shower activity in Fargo-Moorhead. It may not be till late, but we have the potential for an isolated shower, a thunder shower moving through, and this continues overnight. Eventually, though, once the sun goes down, that energy driving these will be gone. So by tomorrow morning, we're starting off the day a lot quieter, which is good for that Minnesota fishing opener. By 6 a.m. we're looking at temperatures mainly into the 40s to start off your day tomorrow. So Saturday starting off good. We'll have to watch out for that rain today. Looking at some rainfall amounts that are going to be kind of a feast or famine situation. Lots of areas getting nothing. And then under some of these thunder showers, we could get a pretty heavy rainfall rate going on. So we're looking at our model here indicating that we could see an inch of rain. That might be a little overdoing it a little bit, but the potential is there that we could get in that half-inch range or maybe a little bit more, especially in those areas that get hit by multiple thunder showers rolling through. So let's take a look at your Minnesota fishing opener forecast. I've focused in on Detroit Lakes, so this will be varying depending on where you're going. But in Detroit Lakes, we're looking at a high of 71 tomorrow. We're going to see some mostly sunny skies. The farther east you go into Minnesota, though, the cloudier it's going to get and the greater the chance for an isolated afternoon and evening shower. Very isolated, most of us staying on the dry side. But in the morning hours, we're going to be quiet. We're going to be clear, temperatures into the 40s. We're going to warm into the 50s to around 60 by the time we get into the noon hour, and then again near 70 by the time we get into the afternoon. Again, there may be some places that are a little cooler, especially in the northeast, where we'll have a little more cloud cover. But the wind is a big thing to focus on. The water will be nice and calm for you. We're not seeing much wind for the day tomorrow, meaning you won't have to deal with any chop going on as you're out and about. Here's a look at our 7-day planner. So Saturday looks great. In Fargo, we're looking at a high of 73 degrees and sunshine. Lots of us in eastern North Dakota will be sunny and pleasant. Sunday, more numerous showers and thunder showers popping up yet again, but still mild, still into the 70s. And then, of course, you probably noticed this already. Next week, summer kicks in. We're going to see chances for reaching 80 degrees each day all the way through midweek and beyond, with some warm summer-like weather coming our way.
It definitely feels perfect with the fishing opening being this week, because now they have a beautiful week coming up.
It's gorgeous, and I'm just glad that it's not going to be super windy out there, because that makes it really unpleasant to be out. So really great conditions coming up for tomorrow and even into Sunday. You'll just want to watch out for some rain.
Definitely sounds good to me. Thank you, Lisa. Well, straight ahead at noon, a new sensor that measures how much kids are scratching. The hope is to find some relief for children suffering from skin conditions.